Howdy, howdy. My name is Joseph Graham. It's Joseph Graham, and this video is for JP Painting and Repairs. What you're looking at right now is called a heat map. Now, this heat map shows where your business, your Google My Business map listing ranks or appears in particular areas. Okay, so when someone does a search online on Google, right, they're gonna see these top 3 map listings, right? These top 3 businesses in these map listings, believe it or not, they get around 70 to 75% of all the calls, right? So they're getting the most business out of every business on this page. This is top 3 map listings. So what this is showing where JP and repairs ranks. So it's only in the middle of Jeep Grand Prairie where your map listing is ranking, and it ranks number 4, which means it's not in the top 3. And then other than that, like, you're not even displaying in the maps. So it means you're missing out on a whole lot of phone calls. You're missing out on a whole lot of money. All right. So let's hit 2021 strong and let's fix this.